United livery, which I really Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. Now today we have a very exciting unboxing. Now this is probably the first aviation video of 2022. Now today I'm going to be unboxing some very interesting releases that probably a lot of people have been waiting for. And as you can see, we do have a pretty big box. So I'm just going to unbox it here real quick. But as you can see, let's see what we have. And as you can see, we have United 757-200 in the new livery. Bubble wrap. And we also have an older release, which is the SAS A350-900, and also the United 737-900 in the new livery. So yeah, these are some pretty exciting releases here, and I feel like I'm one of the first people to get them actually, because I didn't see a lot of videos of these. So yeah, I'm just gonna take out the bubble wrap and we'll look at them closer. Alright, so let's start off with the first one, which is the United 757. So we can see we do have a very nice box notice, similar to the 737-900, but I want to unbox this one first because I was really excited about this one especially. So yeah, it looks very nice, and I think it also has the little card. Yep, there it is. Yeah, so this is the little card that NG models provide. So there's this code on the back, where you can see where you can enter the code on the website. So if you want to read it, here is what it says. But let's look at the model closer. Alright, so here's the very nice United 757. Alright, so looking at some of the details a little bit closer, so you can see we have very nice details. We do have the new United titles, and we also have the nice engines, and we do have the enhanced winglets on this one. I do not know if there are any of these 757s without the enhanced winglets, but this one does. I mean, in like the new livery. And we also have the registration, which is N41827, I think. I'm sorry, I can't really see it through the camera, but we also have the globe tail on the back, and we also have the very nice landing gear that NG model does on their models. Fill focus. There we go. Yeah, so the landing gear is very nice. It does roll, but it can be a little bit fragile, but still, it is very nice. And yeah, let's look at the other model from United Airlines in this release, which is the the 737-900, not ER variant, but it does have the split skim doors. So here is this one. It already looks very amazing. Yeah, very nice. Let me just take off the plastic real carefully. And yeah, it looks very nice. As we can see, it also has the new United livery, which I really so I guess we do have a broken model. Yeah, that was pretty unexpected. I mean, I thought it was all good. Let me see if the other wing is good. Yeah, the other wing is pretty good, but this one, I guess we do have a damaged model. Yeah, I mean the details are very nice, you know, on this model, but we did have a broken model, which was very unfortunate. You know, let me actually check this out, but I know the 757s from NG are pretty good. Yeah, this one's okay. So it's only the 737. Okay, and here we have the SAS Airbus A350-900. Oops, I did not want to damage the box, but yeah, I think I saw this aircraft when I was flying to Europe this summer. Probably not this exact registration, but I could be wrong. I didn't actually look at the registration. But let's hope this one's not broken. Yeah, it is really, really cold. Okay, just gonna lift it up real carefully. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with this one. Yep, it's pretty good. Yep. As we can see, yeah, this one's also really, really nice. Wow, it's really cold. But yeah, you know, we have the SAS titles, the A350 engines, which are really nice and detailed. The SAS tail, we have the like Nordic flags on the back, because Scandinavian Airlines serves like the Nordic countries, mostly like Norway, Sweden, Denmark, and not Finland, because Finland has their own airline. But yeah, this aircraft is really, really nice. You know, this mold is also pretty good from NG models. Well, alrighty everybody, I hope you did enjoy this unboxing today. Now sadly we did get a broken model right here, but I feel like I'm gonna fix it and not bother returning it, because especially right now with shipping delays, it could take a long time to get a replacement. Yeah, I'm really excited about these new United models, especially, and also the SAS A350, but I feel like the United models are a little bit more exciting because they do have the new like glow collector card, and also since you know, this is a new livery, but this is also a new livery, but I feel like, you know, this is a little bit more exciting. I don't even know why, especially on the 757. It just looks so cool, because I actually even saw this aircraft flying into Newark when I was at the IKEA in Newark, New Jersey. I did not get a picture of it because it was pretty far away and would have looked like a pixelated little mess. So yeah, anyways, I hope you did enjoy this quick little unboxing, and of course, fly safe.